Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I believe, unboxing video from Amazon. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And also check out their Cyber Monday, Black Friday sales going on now. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Happy holidays to everybody. Hopefully you guys are safe that are going out tonight. Remember, take an Uber, take a Lyft, or call a cab, or stay at home. And order some goodies. Let's see what this is. Heartbeat. Oh. I think this is coming from OutdoorMaster. Now, I know this is a season, and I know quite a few people in Michigan are doing this right now. Not me, though. I am afraid. I got bad balance and not going to take the chance. I'll give you guys credit for doing it. It is ski season. It is wintertime anywhere around the world. Colorado, Detroit, Michigan, UP, anywhere that got snow. A lot of people are going to be skiing the slopes, exploring new areas of the world. And you guys can check these guys out. OutdoorMaster.official at Instagram, Facebook /Meta, OutdoorMaster on Twitter. And you can join the community. Free outdoor. Scan the QR code right now. Those people that like to scan them. There you go. And we're going to see what they sent us. 20% off your next purchase. Enjoy. OutdoorMaster.com. So this might be just an unboxing video. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon. Either or. We'll have to take a look. Ooh, this must be the case. Carbon fiber. Nice little mesh. I'll take a look at the case first. Ooh, that must be the shield. Really nice. Right there. OutdoorMaster. You can read that. And I think bada boom. And now check this out. Anti-fog. Really nice satchel bag. Take that on the road with ya. This one right here. Great for shoveling snow, especially you guys in Buffalo. Ooh. Wow. These are high quality. Super fancy. Look at this. This is really nice. It's like Top Gear Maverick style. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see. Remove. Ooh. Wow. Heck, who knows, maybe for snow too. If you don't ski anymore. Yeah, really super stuff for the headrest. Adjustable strap. Like, this is super comfy, guys. I kind of wish I did skiing, but my balance is not good. I don't want to break any more bones or go to the hospital anymore. So I'm going to stay safe. But you guys could have fun out there. And check these guys out. This would be a nice little gift. This is sponsored by Team USA. Olympics. So this is what they wear. Really cool. I'm gonna try them on though. Wow. Holy cool. Look at this. Yeah. Top Gun. That is crazy. Yeah, I probably gotta adjust it. But definitely, these are a nice pair. But like I said, I wish I did go skiing. I would be definitely wearing these. I mean, it feels really good, especially up here. And the strap feels really nice. Like I said, that super soft, whatever they put right in there, helps tremendously. It feels so good. I could take a nap with these on and won't even know. And when you wake up, you can see everything like crystal clear. Doesn't fog up. But, oh yeah. So, definitely check these guys out, YouTubers. Oh wow, big difference. Wow. Night and day difference. I don't know if you guys could see. A little bit. Just look at that globe. It's like almost better vision. Bam. Awesome stuff, guys. And you probably could replace these. But I'm not going to mess with it because I don't want to break it right now. And, let's see. They show. But this is the time to get them now, especially with the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. It says sometimes for goggle care, gently blot any remaining moisture with the carrying pouch. Okay, so you can use it as a cleaner. Okay, so they tell you how to maintain it. But most of you guys should probably know. But definitely cool. Thank you guys, OutdoorMaster. Nice set of goggles. Hit the slopes. Super cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.